Hello guys, and welcome again to another edition of The Buzzing Bee. But first and foremost, I would like to thank all of my subscribers and all of my new viewers for your continued support on my channel, The Buzzing Bee, and for all of those new viewers who just started watching my videos. Well, I hope that you like it, and I hope that you would stick enjoying this video, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel. So just click the thumbs up if you like it, and let me know guys, what do you think about this video, and just put on your comments, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and just below this video. This is one of those most requested vlogs that I'm getting from all of my subscribers and viewers, and I really want to thank you for putting on your comments and requesting what you want to see on my next vlog. And today's vlog, so I want to discuss about the lipstick tutorial in order to avoid those lipstick mistakes, because wearing your lipstick should turn your simple turn into stunning. So you need to do a proper application which demands a little finesse. So for today's vlog on proper lipstick tutorial, I am going to divide this vlog into two parts. So the lip preparation and the lipstick application. And I just think that this is very crucial because, if you don't have a proper preparation for lips, then you would not have a good lipstick application. So I'm gonna divide this vlog into two parts, and to start with, I'm gonna start with the first part, which is the lipstick application. Because lipstick should accentuate the dry spots and fine lines of your lips, it is just but essential to slough away the dry patches beforehand of what your lips have. So if you're applying lipstick on your cracked and chapped lips, you will highlight your imperfection, which is not good. You don't want that to do. So also the dry lips have no staying power as well, and no matter what brand you use, be it a YSL, be it a luxury brand, be it a Chanel or anything that's a top brand, so it doesn't matter. If you don't take care of your lips and if it's chapped and cracked, it will not achieve that smooth and even sheen on your lips when you apply the lipstick. So the worst is that you're gonna be using a matte lipstick, won't be good looking when you apply it. I recommend doing this step, which is the lipstick preparation, to all the ladies to do before bedtime, so that in the morning your lips are rejuvenated, it's all fresh, and it's all moisturized, and it's all ready for the lipstick application. But guys, before we prepare, please don't forget to follow the CDC requirements, which is very crucial nowadays with the outbreak of the coronavirus, in order to avoid any bacterial and viral infections that might be present in your hands. So after this most important step of hand washing, then we can start preparing. So what we're gonna do guys is we're gonna mix an equal part of coconut oil, honey, and 2 parts of sugar. But if you don't have any of those ingredients, you may also use an equal parts of olive oil, vanilla extract, and sugar, or olive oil, honey, and sugar. If you don't have any olive oil, you may also use the jojoba oil. So the primary purpose of the coconut oil, guys, is to provide moisture to your lips, while the sugar has the perfect scrubbing properties, and that the honey have the bacterial and antiviral properties that keeps the normal flora, and also as well keeps the normal flora in your lips, and as well as to keep it hydrated. So after we prepare the solution, we need to wash our face. I would prefer using the unscented soaps or those herbals, and I think this is the best soap to use when you're really taking care of your skin. So after washing, then we can start the scrubbing, and using the natural softening solution that we prepared. And after that, after the preparation, then we can go for the lipstick application. So to proceed, guys, I'm gonna show to you my preparation for making that solution. Here we are. So we're gonna make our solution, our scrubbing solution, and I got all of my ingredients in here. And we have, as I mentioned to you, we should have the coconut oil. This is the one. You see that? It's coconut oil. And we also have sugar, plus an organic, raw, and unfiltered honey. Seems, guys, that our honey is much more thicker. So I'm just gonna use and add another teaspoon of the coconut oil so as to have a good mixture of the honey. So ideally, if we have the other oil, the other texture of the honey, then it's not as much as thicker as this one. So I'm gonna put the sugar first. There you go, 1 teaspoon. And this is a nice idea, guys, because if you really want to stock up and to keep this one for every 2 days, if you want to do this every 2 days, then you can make more scrubbing solution, and you're all set after 2 days. I usually prepare, guys, extra, so that will be good for at least 1 week, so as not to prepare every time. So this is coconut oil, and I'm gonna just make 2, 1 and 2 teaspoons. Now we're gonna put on our honey, our raw unfiltered honey. Sorry, it's really thick, guys, so that's why. There you go. And that's our organic honey. So our ingredients is done, and just gonna mix it all. So just make sure, guys, that we're gonna mixing it properly. So this is what I'm telling you, guys. If you put, or if you use another honey, another brand of honey, if it's not the unfiltered ones, it would have a very nice homogeneous texture like this one. But since we used a raw and unfiltered honey, then the texture would be much thicker if we don't use two parts of coconut oil and 2 parts of sugar, and instead of using this for 2 parts, we only used 1. So it depends, but ideally it should be like 2 parts of this and 2 parts of the coconut oil and sugar. So it is. All right, so what just making right now, guys, is to make a homogeneous mixture of it, and just make sure that it's all mixed properly. So there it is. And once we're set with this one, then we can already keep it ready, and we're gonna wash our face so as to prepare it for the scrubbing, for the lip scrubbing. So I think we're all set with this, and we can keep it here for the meantime. So I was joking with my friend one time that she was complaining because she got a lot of chapped lips. So I told her, why don't you do this so that your boyfriend, okay, would love you more, and when he kissed you, he would kiss like he would really feel more attracted to you because of your softness. So actually, guys, you can also apply this one and 2 body scrub, and but of course you have to use much more large amount of the contents of the ingredients in order to use it as a body scrub. And it usually removes, if you're gonna be using this for body scrub as well, guys, it's gonna remove the black spots and those dark pigmentations in your skin, especially if you have those acne scars or anything, it would remove it. Okay, so I think guys we're set with this one. Now we're ready to do our facial washing and prepare our face for the scrubbing. So see you in a bit. So here we are guys in my bathroom and I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna be using an active natural soap which I always use every day. It's also a brightening daily scrub, and I also use something to moisturize my face as well. And what I use guys is this Aveeno. I use this Positively Radiant Aveeno that has no strong scents or odors, that has a moisture-rich soy extract as well. So it is more on the herbal side. I recommend this guys. Plus I use another soap guys, and this is for moisturizing also. Lightener soap that has a glutathione also, and this is being made in the Philippines, so you can order this online, and I really prescribe this. I also recommend rather this to those people who want to have a nicer tone in their skin, and this is a nice soap that you can try and you can order it online. So by the end of this video guys, I'm gonna try to put on the link wherein you can buy this one, and I hope that you would like it and try it. I find it very refreshing guys if you use this one, and it helped me when I was in Kuwait. I've been using this for how many years already guys? Since when I was in Kuwait for 11 years and until here in the United States. So I use this too. So let's go guys and wash my face now. Before everything else, I have to remove my goggles, and there it is, and here we go.